So I'm working on editing a video that I actually filmed like 2.5 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And I lost part of the footage. So I just want to come on here, preface the rest of the video so it kind of makes a little bit of sense. So as most of y'all know, that if you've been watching, I was a Thrive Life consultant, and I was under a contract of no compete contract or something like that. So I started doing this video with another product, and I thought, ooh, I can't air that until after August 31st. So today is August 31st. And so I'm editing that video to go up sometime this week. And I just wanted to show you, one of the reasons I landed with Thrive Life was because I've tried several products over the years, and I just love their product. And I also love that their product was in the pantry cans. And I've not found, we're going to talk about what I'm going to do next, probably in a different video, but I've not found a company until recently that they don't do pantry cans right now, but they're going to start. So is what I understand. Anyway, the video that I'm editing right now is I'm cooking breakfast with this product. This is Augustin Farms, which I've used their product quite a bit. And this is a whole egg powder. And I purchased this in 2012. So I have kept freeze-dried, dehydrated foods for a just in case, an emergency, job loss, whatever, SHTF, whatever, I've had. And I probably started back in 2010 buying long-term shelf-stable foods. So I bought this in 2012, and that's a lot of eggs. What's the servings? Of course, it's got to get my glasses, and I think that part of the can is torn. 72 servings, I think. So this last 25 years, I think, no, 10 years. So it is out of recommended date, right? Yeah, 22 would be 10 years. So we have eaten this several times. We didn't die. We didn't get sick. So I'm going to start working myself through this. Always date your products. And if you buy a lot of them, you might want to do an inventory. And this one showed up on my inventory. What's wrong with my hair? Showed up on my inventory of, yeah, it's out of date. It needs to be used. So what did I do with all of it? I recanned it. Let me show you that. One of the things you want to do is when you open one of these cans, you want to re-can it or put it in an airlocked, protected air, so no air can get to it. I can't even think of what I'm saying. Anyway, I have 3 of these jars, and I have them in a cool, dark place so the sun's not getting to them. So I have 1 in the camper, and then I have 4 in the tiny house here. And we've eaten these several times, but in this video, you're going to see that I don't tell Deborah about the eggs. And I let her eat part of the burrito and then tell her what's different about the burrito. So anyway, stay tuned for that. Here comes that video. I'm going to go ahead and cook all of this, and then I can put it in baggies, freeze it, and then pull it out the morning of or whatever to cook a burrito real fast. But what is different is this. This is what I'm going to be using for the next 72 servings of eggs that I have. So if you are aware, for the last couple of months, I became a consultant with Thrive Life, and they've gone out of business. Well, like I said, I have tested so many different freeze-dried, dehydrated companies, and this is one of them that I have purchased before. I purchased this in 2012, and I've had it all this time. And I need to use it because it only has a 10-year shelf life, so we're a little over the 10 years. The can's still good. There is no compromise. There's no bulging. Nothing is out of the ordinary of this can. So, I'm going to open it up. We're going to look at it, and then I'm going to cook some eggs. And it says for 2 eggs, I use 1/3 cup of egg powder. And this is the whole egg. So, yeah, you can use this in anything. Baking, cooking, for example, great for the use in omelets, French toast, bread, muffins, cookies, cakes, and more. So, all right, let's open this up. See what it looks like. I found a can opener. When I went to Texas, I found one, so it's not a very good one, but hey, it works. And yeah, I guess I could have got my electric can opener out, but I needed to work out this morning, didn't I? I don't want to stick my fingers down in there. Let me turn it around and I'll show you what. Alright, that's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks good. So I am going to repackage this into smaller jars or smaller containers, and I'm going to start going through this. So anytime I need eggs, this is what I'm going to use. So it's a lot cheaper now. I probably bought this. I wish I would have wrote down the prices when I bought all this back in the day. But I bet this is cheaper than a dozen eggs. Today's prices. So, what do you think? You want some eggs? Yeah, you probably do. You probably do. Yeah, we'll start using this in your dog food too, okay? All right, let's cook up some breakfast. Okay, I put the 1/3 cup of egg powder. Now I need a 1/3 cup of water. Okay, this is what it looks like all stirred up. It's pretty thick. So I got my butter over here. I'm going to pour in the egg mixture and cook them just like scrambled eggs. We'll see what it looks like. Interesting, isn't it? I've never cooked with the egg powder. So we'll see. We'll see if we like it or not. There you go. Just like eggs. I seasoned them so they have just a little bit of a aftertaste, but the seasoning is really good. I just put some garlic powder, salt, and pepper on them. But throw that sausage in there, you're not going to be able to tell a difference. I don't think so. Oh, Let's do that now. Throw some sausage in there. Throw some more sausage in there. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough. How's your breakfast?
Very good, thank you.
So there's something different about it.
It does have something different in it. It's
Really?
like, is it a different cheese?
Well, I did use a different cheese too. There's that Velveeta shreds in there, but there's something else different.
I'm not gonna eat any. It tastes good.
Yeah.
What'd you feed me? She just hands me something. I'm like, rah, 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 rah. Don't even know what it is.
It's good.
It is very good. 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 I'm not gonna ever guess.
It looks the same.
It's fake meat.
No, it's
That's something I don't
dehydrated.
do is fake meat.
It's dehydrated eggs.
Oh, you'd never know.
I know.
Really? All that's dehydrated eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Yeah, no, good. Bueno. Muy bien.
This morning I am going to repackage this dried whole egg powder. And I bought me some canning jars that were on sale at Walmart. So I am gonna put these in jars. And then I'm gonna put them in a bag, the jars, to keep the light out. But I thought this would probably be best way to protect the eggs. Wow, it's going to take a lot of jars. That's a lot of eggs right there. Wow, now that's a lot of eggs. I got 5. These are quart jars, right? Quart jars of powdered eggs, and I have just a little bit left in here, which I'm going to cook tomorrow. And then I can get rid of this can, or clean out the can. I may keep this can for a little while. But I got to put up some groceries. I got to put up some laundry. So today is just chore day. And clean. I've got to do dishes. It's one of those days I got to do everything today to get caught up. So I cooked Sammy's food. Started me some sprouts. So I've showed sprouts on my channel before, but I used a different cup. I've used throughout the years several different methods. And today I'm using this method. I started these last night. So it's a 2 tray. It's originally a 3 tray, but I'm only using 2 trays right now. I think my other tray's in Texas.